Hello, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. State governments now want to allocate unused crisis relief money towards a new stimulus plan. This bill will provide Americans with a stimulus check worth up to $2,000. So, my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn about all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf is once again calling on state lawmakers to approve his plan to provide Pennsylvanians a check using federal crisis relief dollars. Governor Wolf says he wants to use $500 million of the $2.2 billion of unspent federal crisis relief money to provide most Pennsylvanians a one-time state stimulus check up to $2,000. Both the former president and President Biden received congressional approval for their federal stimulus checks. One member of the state Senate Appropriations Committee says his Republican colleagues prefer to spend that money on other things like bridge work instead of tolling the interstate. Governor Wolf says that the Republican legislature should act now to provide direct relief for families hit hard by this inflation. Under Wolf's plan, households with incomes of $80,000 or less would receive $2,000. Specifically, households earning $50,000 or less would receive a one-time payment of $2,000. Then households with incomes between $50,000 and $80,000 would receive $1,500. If the legislature passes a bill, checks would come from the Pennsylvania Treasury and not be taxed as income. Governor Wolf's $1.7 billion proposal includes $225 billion in support for small businesses, $325 million for states' healthcare systems, and $204 million for direct property tax relief. So in other words, the stimulus money will go back into the local economy. Well, friends, there are some Republicans that are opposed to this relief. Some Republicans are slow to get on board. For example, State Treasurer Stacey Garrity leaves decisions regarding specific budget proposals to the General Assembly, but has urged lawmakers to look further down the road to the year 2026 as it considers these spending plans. That is the year when the Independent Fiscal Office projects the state will have a $1.4 billion deficit, spending more than it generates in taxes. Friends, the key word for this video is Lake Superior. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please do click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Lake Superior, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. So friends, here is some breaking news. A leading House Democrat has just called on President Biden to replace IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding over the agency's controversial destruction of data, which is related to 30 million paper-filed tax returns. Representative Bill Pascrell told reporters, "The manner by which we are learning about the destruction of unprocessed paperwork is just the latest example of the attitude from Chuck Redding." The call to fire Redding came after the Treasury Department's Inspector General for Tax Administration had released the findings of an audit. The audit revealed that the IRS had continued to have a significant backlog of paper-filed individual and business tax returns that still remains unprocessed since the agency reopened tax processing centers in June of 2020. According to CNBC News, that inability to process backlogs of paper-filed returns contributed to management's decision to destroy an estimated 30 million paper-filed information return documents in March of 2021. Those documents can include W-2 forms and other information sent by employers and financial institutions to the IRS. Tax preparers have told CNBC News they fear the destruction of the documents could leave the IRS unable to verify details on any taxpayer's returns, which in turn can lead to refunds being delayed. The Internal Revenue Service has said in an official statement, there were no negative taxpayer consequences as a result of this action. Taxpayers or payers have not been and will not be subject to penalties resulting from this action. But friends, that explanation was not good enough for Bill Pascrell, who said that Ways and Means Committee members and other members of Congress have shown immense patience with the IRS. Bill Pascrell told CBS News, Chuck Redding has plenty of time and plenty of cooperation to begin the crucial work of fixing the IRS. There needs to be real accountability. President Biden must replace Chuck Redding immediately and also nominate a chief counsel for the IRS. So, my friends, what are your thoughts about what's going on with the Internal Revenue Service? And should President Biden replace IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below.
Now next, on the CR. Before the end of the week, the Senate must come to an agreement to pass a short-term extension of government funding in order to give appropriators more time to complete a year-long omnibus. It's the most responsible thing we can do to support our appropriators as they continue their bipartisan work to finish an omnibus. No one, and certainly not my Republican colleagues, want a Republican government shutdown. So I'm hopeful that they will cooperate with us to pass this necessary CR, which every single Democrat wants to happen, and will cooperate to make sure that it happens. Once again, I thank Chairman Leahy and Ranking Member Shelby for their leadership and for working in good faith to arrive at a year-long spending agreement. I also commend my colleagues in the House, Chairman DeLauro and Ranking Member Granger, Democrat and Republican, for their work. A year-long omnibus is 1,000 times better than relying on CRs, continuing resolutions, to lurch from one short-term extension to the next. I remain optimistic that both sides will keep working together on drafting legislation to fund the government so it can fully serve the American people while keeping...
Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. Thanks, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.